Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Naturally Me Dion, and today I'll be showing you guys how I got this hairstyle. And in the video, I'm showing you guys how I accomplished this style. And I'm gonna tell you one thing. Let me tell you, everything that they say easy ain't always easy. But don't worry. You guys, I'm gonna show you guys how I achieved this hairstyle, which it was pretty cool, and I think I'll be doing this again a lot more on my channel. So let me know in the comment section below what you guys think about this video, and also check out the description, because everything that I used on my hair, everything that from the hair to the products, I'll be sharing with you guys in the description. And if you guys would like to purchase those products, you can just click the link and it should take you directly to the website. That's what I'm gonna do. Also guys, I just want to say, subscribers, thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. I'm so happy to have you. I hope to see you guys on many more other videos like this. And also don't forget to subscribe, comment, okay, because I know a few of you guys have been watching for a long time. You guys still haven't pushed the subscribe button, and it's totally free. All you gotta do is hit that red button. I would love to see you guys there. All right, yeah. So guys, this is the finished look of my hair. I hope you guys enjoy looking at this video. I'm gonna stand up and see if you guys can see it a little bit. Can you see? So this is pretty much what I came up with, and I really do love this style. It's really nice, casual, sexy. I can just do so much with this style. I really do like it. I like the fact that, to me, I think that even though it took a while to kind of get it to my liking, I think this makes crochet made easier, especially with the rubber bands. And girl, let me tell you, my head doesn't hurt. The hair feel amazing. I can even wear the hair down and it does not irritate my skin. So I really like that, and I like the feel of the hair. It's nice. Now what I do wish I did is had more jewelry, because you know the pretty jewelry doesn't come with many in there. So I really found out how you really supposed to install hair jewelry, okay? So I learned that in the video. And it's lightweight. I really do like it. However, I think this will last me for a long time. Also, I can always just redo the edges if needed. I don't think I would need to though, because most of the time when you use styles with rubber bands, it lasts way longer. Time with the twist here, it was complicated. I had a little rough time with that, but however, overall the style turned out great. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. Please do like, share, comment, and subscribe down below, girl, down below, to see more videos like this. Okay, bye. I'll see you guys later. So guys, welcome back to my channel. Naturally Me Dion here. Okay, you guys really like to see hair videos, and I enjoy bringing them to you when I can. Okay, so not long ago I took my braids down yesterday, and I have my hair like this. All right, so now it's time for me to put some braids back up. So I am going to do passion twist, okay? And it looks like this. I need my glasses on, okay? So what I'm gonna do is go ahead and take my hair down. So I'm gonna do something a little different. I'm gonna get a rubber band, grab up this top here, and I am going to just put oil over these rubber bands because I've been doing that every time that I'm just going to use this oil here, and I'm going to put it in here in the top. So what I'm going to do, I double twist the rubber band or whatnot, and I'm just going to pull the hair through a few times because these rubber bands here are a little bit wide. So yeah, so I'm not doing them tight because it's gonna tighten up in a moment. This is pretty much what I came up with, and I really do love this style. It's really nice, casual, sexy. I can just do so much with this style. The twist here, it was complicated. I had a little rough time with that, but however, overall the style turned out great. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please do like, share, comment, and subscribe down below, girl, down below, to see more videos like this. Okay, bye. I'll see you guys later.